Okay. All right. So, have you guys looked at what the assignment is this week?
Yeah.
Yeah, I looked it over.
So how can we do it all together in the Google Earth file?
Do we plot the earthquakes in Google Earth or just look at it?
Oh, maybe it's just look at them. Do we have to submit? Yeah, we have to submit a document. Do we just have to answer those questions?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, looks like it.
So you use like what, a Word document?
Yeah, we could do Google Docs.
Sounds good.
Um, okay. There, I sent a Google Docs to you guys.
All right.
Have you guys looked on Google Earth at the Marianas Trench?
Yeah, I have it pulled up now.
Yeah, me too.
Good. So should we just answer the questions then? Do you guys think maybe we could take a screenshot and just put it in our document as well?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Of like the Marianas Trench in the Sea of Japan.
Yeah, and then we can kind of reference it in the document.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I can do the picture.
I got it.
You got it. Okay.
Oh, if you want me to get in tighter, I probably could.
Looks good.
Yeah, that'll work.
All right.
So do they want us to make a graph for?
Um, maybe plot the depth, distance along the surface. Does that mean like distance from the trench?
Or how far apart each one is? I guess.
It looks like the farther away from the trench you get, the deeper the earthquakes are occurring.
The bigger they are.
Let me see. No, not necessarily bigger earthquakes. Just
Oh,
they're at the depth is a lot out along that blue line. A lot of them are 0 to 33, and just in a little bit farther, they got the yellow, and then there's even a few purple ones back in there just south of Tokyo.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe the distance from the trench line to where the deepest earthquakes are occurring.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So what about the size of the earthquakes?
They're all kind of the same looking. Like it doesn't vary a whole lot. But they're bigger around Japan, it seems. Not necessarily. Yeah, they're all like the same size.
Yeah, all in the 4s.
So how do you think we should do the first one? Should we try and make a graph, or should we just explain it?
I don't even know what a graph would help us would help us understand. So maybe just write it out.
All right. So
The distance from the trench line to the deepest earthquakes is about 235 miles.
the deepest ones.
Yeah, from the purple ones there over to the trench line.
would it be safe to say that it's a linear relationship?
Yeah, looks like it.
I mean, I feel like that's what they're getting at by saying the plot is if you actually did numbers, figured out how far it was to the depth, it'd kind of be linear. So, like, the further away you get, the deeper it goes.
Yeah, it kind of looks like the that plate boundary is getting subducted, and the further it gets in, the deeper the subduction is, and that's why the earthquakes are occurring deeper.
You said they were all about a number 4 magnitude, right?
Yeah, between 4 and 5.
Um,
You think these questions answers look all right?
Yeah, I think they look good.
What is this? Is there anything else we want to add? Do you think that's good?
I think it looks pretty good.
yeah, I think it looks pretty good.
All right, I'm done.
I think it looks good.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. I will. I'll email both you guys the links for each of these.
Alrighty.
All right. Thank you.
Sometime next week, or maybe we should. I have a class with Jordan, so I'll talk to him tomorrow and see what works with him, and maybe send out. Does a text work for you guys?
Text works.
Yeah,
for
that
me.
works for me.
Okay, then I'll text everyone, and then we can hopefully find a time that'll work for everyone next week.
Sounds good.
All right.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Yep.
All right. Thanks.
Take care.